Welcome to Integrity Car Sales Rentals, wheelchair vehicle specialists with head office in Sydney, Australia. This is a 2011 Nissan NV 200. Has a sea green exterior with black trim and black grey interior with cream coloured cloth seats. The dash has a silver insert. The stereo has radio and reverse camera. Integrity can install a touchscreen stereo system with GPS and Bluetooth if required. It seats 5, 2 in the front, 2 in the middle, 1 next to the wheelchair. It has orange grab rails for safety for getting into or out of the vehicle. These can be removed if not required. The middle seats are fixed to the floor with 4 bolts, which can also be removed to give more room for the wheelchair, so the interior space is functional and adaptable to individual needs. The wheelchair position has lap and shoulder belts. The rear has a lightweight aluminium ramp which extends and retracts. The rear of the wheelchair is connected to the floor with international standard key strains which are attached to an oval L pocket. Simply release and move key strains and the wheelchair can reverse down the incline. The front of the wheelchair is hooked onto original wheelchair restraints which act like a retractable belt. When exiting the vehicle, you can simply unhook the belts. When entering the vehicle, you can activate a switch which tightens as the wheelchair enters the car. This is a safety mechanism so the wheelchair does not slide backwards as it goes up the ramp. When the vehicle is complied, Integrity added 4 oval L pocket floor anchorage points which meet Australian design rules. The L-track connector key strain retractors connect the wheelchair to the floor. This has a red lever which releases the belt. The end hook can be attached to the wheelchair. Integrity can change the position of L-tracks if needed. We welcome you to bring your OT with you when viewing our cars so you can ensure correct placement of the floor pockets for yourself and your particular wheelchair. The ramp is lightweight and slides to one piece neatly inside the door. Designed to be a commercial and passenger van, the NV 200 won International Van of the Year in 2010, and it's easy to see why. It has a square shape which makes the interior roomy and spacious. It's a 1.6 litre, 4-cylinder automatic petrol. For more information on this vehicle or to view our other wheelchair accessible vehicles, please go to www.icsar.com.au or call 1300 WellCab.